Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing and first look of the Shieldon knives Empoleon. So this was generously donated to the channel by Shieldon Knives, so a big thanks to Steven who made this collaboration possible. And let's open the box up. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, if you did have the chance to check out other Shieldon knives, then please do. I have also a dedicated playlist for that, but we have the model number 9049G1-B. Inside the package we have a really nicely designed belt pouch with quick detachable snap loop knife itself, also instructions in different languages, so like I mentioned in my previous videos, Shieldon Knives is a big corporation. They are a OEM and ODM manufacturer, so they do produce knives and tools. So if you're looking for something that they have in the catalog, please check out their website. I will be linking the website down below. And now let's talk about the knife itself. So the designer, like on previous Shieldon knives, is Django. He is the in-house designer for this line of knives, and the name Empoleon is another Pokemon. So lots of companies are using different things to name their knives. Some using birds, some using numbers, some using mythical beasts and so on, and Shieldon went with Pokemons. So if you are a collector, maybe a fan of this media, then you can now also get a knife that is named after the Pokemons. Okay, let me give you the specification really quickly. So we have a overall length of 20.4 centimeters, that is 8 inches. The blade is 8.8 centimeters long, or 3.5 inches. The blade width is 1.9 centimeter, or 0.7 inches. The blade thickness is 3 millimeters, or 0.12 inches. The handle length is 11.6 centimeters, or 4.5 inches. And the thickness without the pocket clip is 1.2 centimeters, or 0.47 inches. We have a really nice versatile design. So this will accommodate any size of hand. Even if you have a small or large hand, it will fit you really nicely. There are no hot spots so far as I can tell. Materials used on this one, we have D2 blade steel, and with this really nice matte black titanium coating. We have a flat grind with a nice drop point. Shieldon logo on one side, D2 blade on there, and there is the name of the knife, designer, and model number. The handle is made out of G10, and we have three CR14 steel on the liners. This is nicely skeletonized for weight reduction. Liner lock. And we have on the pivot assembly, we have caged ceramic ball bearing washers. So it's really nice and smooth. The D10 is perfectly dialed in, so it will preload and flick open very nicely every time. Let me show you the log engagement. So, nice and early. Blade centering perfect, no blade play whatsoever. Okay, let me show you the pocket profile. So the pocket clip on this one is your standard folded stainless steel pocket clip with a light to medium tension. So this is what you would like to have on a EDC friendly carry. It will go inside your pocket without any problems. The texture of the G10 is nicely smooth underneath, so it will not shred your pocket. For the hardware, we have stainless steel body screws. The pivot is T8 and the body screws are T6. There's also a really nice generous lanyard hole, a partial backspacer, which is also G10, and we have this nice 3D milled texturing to help you with the grip. So really nice additional work went into this knife. And not a lot of companies are doing these extra steps too. It's good to see. There is a little bit of a jimping on the flipper to be even better, have better traction, of course. Let me show you the sharpness. So out of the box, this is really nicely sharp. They sharpened this to 15 to 20 degrees, so it will slice really nicely. And like I mentioned, this is a D2 tool steel, so it is not completely stainless, of course, but given that they paired the blade with this nice matte titanium coating, it will definitely help with the preservation of the blade and with the rusting. Not a lot of companies are doing it at this price point. Usually they will give you a belt satin finish, which is another big plus in my book. Okay, so the weight comes in 89.5 grams or 3.1 ounces, so really nice lightweight in my opinion. The pricing, so the MSRP is $71.38 and the MAP pricing is $49.98. If you're looking for a reseller, I did find these on White Mountain Knives. So if you are from US, then definitely you can go check White Mountain Knives. I will put a link down below. You can go and see if they are available. They should carry all available Shieldon knives on their website. Okay, so now let's talk a little bit about comparisons with other knives. So like I mentioned, this is a really a universal, versatile design. Lots of other companies have something similar to this one. For me personally, two come close to it, which is a Tucson model TS169, which, as far as I know, these are not available currently. I don't know if they are still in production, but it is what it is. And from a couple of years ago, the Firebird or Django FH41, this one is in carbon fiber. Okay, now let's continue with some other knives that I have here on the table. Here's the Berker Plus Bonfire. Kaiser Baglighter 2. 940 from Benchmade. Kubieris. QSP Penguin. CVV Elementum. 2.5 Cebu. Ontario Red 1. Kershaw Leak. Spyderco Delica. Spyderco Endura. A large Cryptilian. Bucksprint Pro. Rough Rider Peanut. Kaiser Pinch. The 1512 from Brother Knives. And Keiba Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so overall I must say this is a really nice affordable design if you're looking for materials that are used. We have a excellent handle, so it will fit really nicely in all sizes of hands. The sharpness is really good out of the box, so that's a big plus point. The pocket clip is not heat treated how it should be, has a really nice flex to it, so that will help with the putting it inside your pocket. If you know me, I would probably like to have a deep carry pocket clip just to conceal a little bit more the knife in my pocket, and so that it's also more secure, but not that this would be not secure. Also, a plus point is that the knife will come with a really nice functional belt pouch, so if you don't want to carry the knife inside your pocket, then you can carry it on your belt or have it in your backpack or any kind of pack you are using. Yeah. So nice details right there. With that being said, I would like to thank Steven for sending this knife in to the channel. If you have any questions regarding the knife or anything else, please leave a comment down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes there's other stuff regarding my other hobbies. That being said, I would like to wish you a wonderful day, stay safe, and hope to see you soon. Bye.